Let's learn how to add app lock on your mobile applications. In this Redmi Note 11 mobile, we don't want to download third-party applications for app lock. Let's learn how to enable this. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to apps option. Now you can see here app lock, click on it. Now in some applications, I already enable app lock. If you are not yet enabled this feature, you want to type a pattern. After you can enable this app lock. Now I will explain how to add app lock to applications. In here you can select applications you want to add app lock. Now I already add WhatsApp for this app lock. Now I select YouTube application. You can enable it like this. Okay, now let's check it. Now I open YouTube application. Now the app lock is applied. Now if I want to open this YouTube application, I want to type this pattern or I want to tap my fingerprint. In this app lock, you should want to learn one tip. I will explain it. Again go to app lock feature. After click on this settings icon on top right corner. Click on this lock settings option. After you want to enable this second option when device is locked or after existing app option, you should want to enable this option. This is important tip for you. If you want to hide your app lock application pattern, you can disable this show pattern option. I think this is very good feature to protect your privacy.